Can you hear me? Can you see me? I'm here in the land of 1,000 hills, hoping to fulfill my dreams. This is my decision and passion to experience a different vacation. I'm happy. That's because I know they're ready to be part of this story. The people are friendly, so I can get along easily. And being part of their community, I found the other side of me. Every moment is different, and it will never be forgotten. The Meriah monument is part of historical evidence of the fight against aggression and the birth of this nation. The sound of nature calling me for an adventure and bring me closer to my answer. Surrounded by the new reality, I am the witness of this wonderful journey and the victim of its beauty. Exploring the tropical forest floor is what I'm looking for. From trekking to hiking, I see a lot of things, and I can tell you, it is truly amazing. Speechless and impressed, I feel like I've been blessed. And being alone in the darkness, I light up my consciousness. Benar Meriah is beauty in harmony, and it's a place for those who want to refresh their mind and body. From the top of Burnit Telong, I'm waiting for you to come along.